For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In Game 52 of the ongoing edition of the IPL, Royal Challengers Bangalore will lock horns against one-time champions Sunrisers Hyderabad in Saturday's second game. This will be the second meeting between the two sides in this year's IPL, with Royal Challengers Bangalore emerging victorious by 10 runs in the previous encounter. Both teams have played 12 matches in the tournament so far and are still in the race for the playoffs. RCB has 7 wins in 12 matches in the tournament so far, and a victory against SRH will secure their place in the knockouts. On the other hand, Sunrisers Hyderabad has won 5 of their 12 matches so far and need a win against Royal Challengers Bangalore to keep their playoff dream alive. Royal Challengers Bangalore and Sunrisers Hyderabad have been a part of numerous high-octane clashes in the past, and there is nothing to separate between the two teams when it comes to the head-to-head record. Royal Challengers Bangalore and Sunrisers Hyderabad have locked horns against each other on 14 occasions in the history of the IPL. Both the sides have won 7 games each, while none of the games played between them ended in a tie or no result. RCB is heading into this fixture on the back of 2 consecutive losses and will look to put on an all-round performance against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Devdutt Padikkal has been the find of the tournament so far, as the young left-handed batsman have made his presence felt with some sumptuous innings with the bat. Skipper Virat Kohli has endured an average tournament thus far with the bat, but against SRH, one can expect the RCB skipper to lead from the front. Containing AB de Villiers will be a mammoth task for Sunrisers Hyderabad bowlers, and Mr. 360 has already played some brilliant innings in the tournament so far. For SRH, skipper David Warner is the binding force when it comes to their batting, and the Southpaw is coming into this game after playing a blinder in the previous match. Playing his first game of the season, Wriddhiman Saha played a match-winning innings in Hyderabad's previous game against Delhi Capitals and will look to carry his form to this match. The likes of Kane Williamson and Manish Pandey will provide solidity to Hyderabad's middle order. When it comes to bowling, it will be the matchup between the two best leg spinners in IPL 2020. Yuzvendra Chahal has been outstanding for RCB and will look to spin his magic once again against SRH. On the other hand, Rashid Khan has been the leader when it comes to Hyderabad's bowling attack. When it comes to the last 5 matches between the two sides, RCB has won 3, while SRH emerged victorious on 2 occasions. It will be a massive game for Sunrisers Hyderabad, as a loss will end their hopes of qualifying for the knockouts.